Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my brand new Samsung Galaxy J5 2017 model, and this time I'll be doing a speaker sound test just to test how well the sound quality is coming from the speaker. So this device only has one speaker and it's here on the right hand side right there. That's the speaker right there. It's a very small speaker, so we're just gonna test the quality and see how well the sound quality is. So let's just open up the music player. Okay, so Samsung Music, and let's play a song. So let's turn up the volume. So I've turned it all the way up. And it really doesn't sound that bad. It's actually quite loud, considering that the device has only one speaker. It's really not that bad at all. Like I said, the speaker is very small, but the sound quality coming from it's very clear and it's actually quite loud. So yeah, this was just a video testing the speaker quality on the Samsung Galaxy J5. Let me know what you think of the quality in the description down below. And like I says, just remember that the device only has one speaker and the speaker is very small. So to me, it sounds really good. What do you think? Let me know in the description down below. I'm out. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.